To generate APIs for any database types, just attach the connection string. In the secret, select the connection string and create the instance. When you create the instance, you will get list of all databases. Select the database and you will get list of all the tables or collections. Select all the tables and generate a schema and APIs in one click. For every table, for SQL database, it will generate 15 APIs, and for MongoDB, it will generate 34 APIs. Press simply send button and you will get the output. When you provide any field value in a depopulate, it will populate that data from the another table. You can go n number of levels like this. So no need to learn SQL queries to perform this type of basic join operations. You can write native SQL queries also if you want, using system APIs. In this example, we'll get the data from 4 different database types. First level is coming from MariaDB, second level is coming from SQL Server, and third level is coming from Postgres. Customers are from MariaDB, store SQL Server, address Postgres, and entire payment details from MySQL. In this example of find join, we can perform join operation across database types. The rent data is coming from MySQL, MariaDB has customer and staff, SQL Server is having store details, and Postgres is having address data. When we simply press send button, we'll get the data from 4 different database types with conditions satisfied within 4 different database types. So staff ID is 2 and rent detail is ID 76. These APIs are just there, you just need to use it. API Maker can get data from multiple different database types. The same way it can save or update also in the multiple database types. So we'll copy the entire object of the depopulate and we'll paste it in our master save API. We'll perform some modification in our payload. So we'll update the first name, we'll update the last name, we'll update return date and last update dates in rent data and actual amount in payment. We'll simply press the send button and it will be persisted in 4 different database types. It can be a number of database types or tables. Writing and testing custom business logic using custom API is super easy. You just simply create the custom API and you can test in the same API Maker environment. No need to use any Postman or any external testing tools. Change the code in the left side and immediately get the response in the right side. All the auto-generated APIs with their full power are available out of the box in this environment. So you can directly use them. No need to do any database connectivity or anything. You just get the data, save the data, that's it. As simple as that. The user inputs are already pre-validated for query parameters and body. So no need to write any validation logic also. Other than that, there is many things are available out of the box. You can install ready-made third-party made APIs from API Maker store. Let's say for S3 bucket and FTP, we are installing. These APIs you can see in third-party APIs, and they are pre-made, ready to use tested APIs and with the code. So you can also modify as per your need. You can get WebSocket notification on any operation of any table or any database. You can trigger custom WebSocket events also. Just subscribe to those events from web app or Android or iOS mobile app. Very simple yet powerful. WebSocket is connected and events are registered. On hit of API in any way, you will get the notification. You can get notification on hit of any auto-generated API, custom APIs, third-party APIs, or you can even trigger custom WebSocket notifications when condition is satisfied. So full flexibility is there. Managing schedulers are very easy. You will get all the powers of custom APIs. Plus, you can start, stop, delete, create schedulers and their intervals and their time zones anytime. They will be automatically distributed over provided servers. You can write most powerful database migration scripts in TypeScript and native SQL queries. You can take schema and data migration decision based on data of any database or schema of any database type. API Maker has powerful logging system. You can start or stop logging of any API in just one click. URL, query params, request and response headers, response, everything will be logged. Powerful log filter system is also inbuilt. Logs are saved in very structured way in MongoDB, so you can later process them if required. You can throw any error message of API in any language in the world. Just provide mappings and language name in the header. You can use Git to move API Maker settings and configuration done by many developers of the team from one environment to another. It will take just around 20 seconds for that.